Let's do a live walkthrough of Alpha Insights by WP Davies. I'm always on the hunt for analytics plugins for WooCommerce stores, and I can see that there is a live demo here. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. So what I really want to see is attribution data, and can it track where revenue is coming from? So from the top, I'm assuming these are within the dashboard. Okay, cool. Reports, analytic. Is there submenus for analytics? No. So just reports, orders is last month. Okay, completed, refunded. Cool. Let's go. I want all incoming orders. So processing. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So revenue, profit, other expenses, total profit. Guessing. Can't really tell with this color combination which one total profit is, but assuming it's one at the bottom. Okay, cool. So I'm sure we probably set that up elsewhere. Total order revenue, cost, profit, total number of orders, cool. Number of expenses, interesting. Additional expenses, margin, profit. Refunds, cool. Revenue by profit and by day, interesting. By time, cool. Insightful for just managing the store. As a marketer, as a business owner, very cool. As a marketer, a little less so. Order costs, cost of goods. Right. Yeah, interesting. Cool. Payment gateways. Not sure what Bax is. Maybe that's an international thing, like equivalent to Stripe. That's all right. Average order value, cool. Average profit, cool. Number of items, largest order. Discount, coupons, cool. Fun stuff. Product insights, product revenue, product discounts, items sold. These statistics are only related to product data within an order. I'm a little bit confused here. Maybe, yeah, I'm not too sure. I come from e-commerce where everything's a product. We only sell products. So what would be outside of this? I'm not sure, but keen to find out. It's interesting, it's picking up additional expenses here with our various marketing initiatives. And I'm very keen to see the revenue that comes in on these channels too, if that is a thing. That would be amazing. So order insights, per order, per day. Okay, interesting. Shipping collected. Okay, all really just money in. Last 50 orders, yeah, money in. Okay, so not what I need here. Acquisition, product report. Let's just dive into this. Acquisition sounds where we're at. Is this number of products? Okay, revenue versus products versus refund. Cool. I mean, it'd be nice if this graph was on had multi-axis, because it's like, okay, your revenue's all the way up here, but the amount of numbers doesn't really make sense. So having quantity sold and quantity refunded being over here, just so things kind of are a bit more clearer, would be amazing. Total products sold, yep. Quantity sold, okay. Interesting. Number of product lines, product revenue, product profit. Okay. Okay. Top sales by profit. Quantity. Right, these are interesting. Good data on what your products do. Least profitable products, that's cool. Most heavily discounted, cool. By percentage or by dollar amount. Okay. Most refunded, average margin, total product cost in this period, coupon discount, right? Product sales. Cool. Can these be sorted? No, just sorted by revenue. It'd be great if we could sort these by each of these tables. Okay, acquisition report. That should be interesting. Organic referral social. That's interesting. Does it go down further? Okay, so it doesn't do things like, okay, these are email campaigns. Maybe I'm missing here. There's like integrations to put in email. So it sounds, unless I can add to this and figure out what email campaigns, what paid search, paid social, organic social is, I don't think this is going to show us everything we need. Total order revenue, order cost. It'd be good to be able to, okay, no, so if I wanted to have a look at last year by month, that's interesting. Okay, so this is quite cool, but I wish I had more ways to break this down into Klaviyo, into Google Ads, Meta advertising, which social media platform. Oh, can't see it. Organic channels, breakdown of key insights by acquisition channel that led directly to the sale. Okay, here we go. That's what we're looking for. But I want this on a graph over time so I can see if Google PPC is going up, going down, going left, going right. Ads for the year, revenue, profit. Okay. Interesting. I like this. Cool. All right. Now I just need that on a graph. Query parameter values. Interesting, there's like Facebook and Google Ads reports. That could be interesting. Last 50 orders. Again, I wonder why it's showing that and why. Interesting, we can sort here. But why is that in the acquisition report? Yeah, that's a bit strange why this is here. But this is good. Not necessarily referral source. This is good. And then revenue and profit by query parameter key, whether it's a campaign or whether it's content. Okay. I'm not sure what that means. Might be showing my inexperience here. Okay, cool. So Facebook report, what does that look like? Campaign spend, revenue, actual profit. All right, I wonder where this data is coming from. Is this neutral and pulling real data and separating it, or is it like just pulling from Facebook analytics? I'd probably have to test that on my own code. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Campaign spend, what for the year? Yeah, last year. Let's go last month by can't do weeks. Okay, by day. Cool. You need to include alpha campaign tracking query parameters to enable profit reporting. Make sure you include meta in all meta campaign. Okay, cool. Share that with your ad specialist. Add account profitability. Unlucky. I bet that happens a lot. Okay. Revenue, actual profit, order count, cost per order, new customer count, cost per new customer, daily ad spend, actual return on ad spend. That is brutal. Okay, campaign activity via Meta API. Clicks, add to carts, orders. Okay. Profit by campaign. Order revenue by campaign. Return on ad spend. Campaign performance. Okay, cool. I'd really love to see how all of these link up over time in a chart like this with every one of these query parameters that we saw in here. This month on month, and where they go up and down, that would be very, very cool. Okay. Alright, same again, exactly the same, which is cool. Good to see consistency. Order revenue by campaign. Cool. Yeah, okay. So it's interesting. It's got a lot here. Does this, I wonder if I can create what I was just looking at. Last month. Let's go last year by month. What is, why? Okay, so I don't know what this analytics report is. Store activity. Strange that I get to choose my date range here, but then I'm forced to look at real-time activity in the last 30 minutes. Like, cool, but not quite what I'm looking at. I want to see all of these traffic types on a graph together. Okay. And then a breakdown of each funnel in a line graph over time. No, I'm not seeing that here either. Okay, expenses, inventory, profit and loss statement, Facebook ad call, webhooks. Okay, so I think maybe it doesn't integrate with email campaigns, but I'm keen to be shown otherwise. I think that's where I'll leave it here. Interesting product. I'd probably have a crack at installing it over one of my clients' sites and seeing if they have insight, but as far as being able to see the effectiveness of each channel, I would really love to see this acquisition report be a bit more detailed and be able to include things like Klaviyo and break down organic social, organic search, paid social, paid search. Would be really handy. Cool, thank you.